Yo, wait, before you skip this video, today I will teach you how you can do this motion tracking inside After Effects.
That each and every day, day in, day out, no days off for 25 years, I have been the greatest of all time!
Now what you're gonna do is, first get ready with your clip. Now from there, go to Tracker panel, select Stabilize Motion. From there, select Options and put the confidence from 80% to 90% and put that add a feature to stop tracking. Now zoom in your clip a little bit. Now adjust the tracker as I do. As you can see, I would like to put the tracker on the character's nose because that's gonna make it more visible. And once it's done, select Analyze Forward. Now as you can see, the analyzing process has been started. Keep in mind that this process might take some time depending on how good your PC is. You see, sometimes Analyze Forward might get paused. Just don't panic. Just restart the Analyze Forward once where it has stopped until your clip is completely over. After completing your Analyze Forward, press Apply, and from there choose the dimensions to X only and press OK, and you are done. Also, after applying, you will see this black bar appearing on your screen. To fix that, go to Effects and Presets and search for Motion Tiles. Now bring that motion tile on your clip and turn on mirror edges and put the output width to 300. And now you see the black bar is completely gone. I hope this helps. Now I will see you on my next edit. Adios.